Welcome back to the House of Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to the Land Cruiser Prado 2024, a legendary SUV that combines robust off-road capability with premium comfort and cutting-edge technology. Let's dive into what makes the 2024 Land Cruiser Prado a top choice for adventurers and luxury seekers alike. Rugged and timeless design. The 2024 Land Cruiser Prado features a bold and commanding presence with its rugged design and distinctive styling. The robust front grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular lines emphasize its off-road prowess and durability. The Prado's design is both functional and stylish, ensuring it stands out whether you're navigating city streets or tackling tough terrains. Luxurious and spacious interior. Step inside the Land Cruiser Prado, and you'll find a cabin that offers a perfect blend of luxury and practicality. High-quality materials, such as leather upholstery and wood trim, adorn the spacious interior. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. The Prado offers flexible seating configurations, allowing for up to 7 passengers or extra cargo space as needed. Advanced technology. The 2024 Land Cruiser Prado is equipped with the latest technology to keep you connected and entertained on your journeys. The centerpiece is the intuitive infotainment system featuring a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The premium sound system delivers exceptional audio quality, making every drive enjoyable. Unmatched off-road capability. What truly sets the Land Cruiser Prado apart is its legendary off-road capability. The 2024 model is built on a robust chassis and features advanced off-road technologies like the Multi-Terrain Select system, which optimizes performance on various surfaces. The Kinetic Dynamic Suspension System, KDSS, enhances wheel articulation for better stability and control on rough terrain. Powerful and efficient performance. Under the hood, the 2024 Land Cruiser Prado offers a range of powerful and efficient engines. The standard 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine provides excellent torque and fuel efficiency, making it suitable for both city driving and off-road excursions. For those seeking more power, a robust V6 petrol engine is also available. Comprehensive safety features. Safety is a paramount concern in the Land Cruiser Prado, which comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features. Toyota's Safety Sense suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features work together to enhance safety and provide peace of mind, whether you're driving on highways or exploring remote trails. Pricing. The 2024 Land Cruiser Prado is priced to reflect its premium features and capabilities. The base model starts at around $60,000, with higher trims and additional options pushing the price upwards. This range ensures that you can find a Prado that fits your needs and budget, offering excellent value for a vehicle of its class and capability. Thoughts? The Land Cruiser Prado 2024 is a versatile and luxurious SUV that excels in both off-road adventures and everyday driving. With its rugged design, luxurious interior, advanced technology, and unmatched capability, the Prado is a top choice for those seeking a premium SUV that can handle any challenge. Thank you for tuning into the House of Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the Land Cruiser Prado 2024. Until next time, keep driving in style and stay safe.